This guide explores 4 practical methods to export TECNO contacts to Excel without hassle. Part 1. How to export TECNO contacts to Excel by Coolmuster Android Assistant. Coolmuster Android Assistant is a desktop program designed to manage Android data directly from your computer. It allows you to export, import, backup, and restore various types of files, including contacts. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Android Assistant on your computer. It works with both Windows and Mac, so you can use it on whichever system you prefer. Step 2. Connect your TECNO phone to the computer via USB cable or Wi-Fi. If prompted, enable USB debugging on your device. Step 3. Once the program detects your phone, the main interface will display different data categories. Click on Contacts to continue. Step 4. You can now preview your contacts, select specific ones, or simply choose to export all. Click Export and select CSV format, which can be easily opened and managed in Excel. Part 2. How to export TECNO contacts to Excel with Google Contacts. Step 1. On your TECNO phone, go to Settings, Accounts, Google, and enable Contact Sync. Step 2. On your computer, open a browser and log into Google Contacts. Step 3. From the sidebar, click Export. Step 4. Choose the contacts you want and select Google CSV format. Step 5. Download the file and open it directly in Excel. Part 3. How to export TECNO contacts to Excel through VecFF file. Step 1. On your TECNO phone, open the Contacts app. Step 2. Tap More, Import Export to VecFF file. Step 3. Save the generated VecFF file to local storage or an SD card. Step 4. Transfer the file to your computer. Step 5. Open it in Excel or use an online converter to change VecFF into CSV for better readability. Part 4. How to export TECNO contacts to Excel via Contacts to Excel app. If you prefer managing everything directly on your phone, apps like Contacts to Excel provide a convenient solution. They allow you to quickly export contacts into Excel format and share via email or cloud storage. Step 1. Download and install Contacts to Excel from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Launch the app and grant it permission to access contacts. Step 3. Tap Export Contacts and select all contacts. Step 4. Choose output format as XLSX or CSV. Step 5. Save the file locally or send it directly via email.